Hello students, now let's continue part 4 of lesson number 4. As we seen before, the three people who confirmed that Bipin Babu was went to Ranchi and he was forgotten everything. Okay, so now as three people were confirmed, so he Bipin Babu also believed that he forgot the event and he become ill. Then he consulted Dr. Chanda and Dr. Chanda gave him suggestion that he would trip to the Ranchi that will help you to recall the things which he forgotten. Okay, so we seen that. Now let's see fourth part what he did. Fourth part, let's read. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. Now next morning he reached Ranchi. Bipin Babu reached Ranchi, and when he getting off from the train at the Ranchi station, he realized that he never came before there. So he came out of the station and took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, and Morabadi Hill, all the places, will none of these had he the slightest acquaintance. So none of these places was seen at once for him. So acquaintance means familiar. None of these places were familiar to that Bipin Babu. Would a trip to a Hudro fall help? So he thought that let trip for Hudro, it will help me. So he didn't believe so, but at the same time he didn't wish to live with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. Okay, so he arranged for a car and left for Hudro in the afternoon. So at afternoon he decided to go to Hudro, that he did not believe that he went to Ranchi before, but he tried it at last because he did not left the Ranchi with the feeling that he did not try it at least. Okay, so he decided to went to Hudro Fall. Now turn the page. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hudro, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnics discovered Bipin Babu laying unconscious beside a boulder. Boulder means rock. So, in the afternoon, he was become unconscious and he was lay on besides a rock, and the two Gujarati gentlemen helped him. When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, I am finished. There is no hope left. When he was become conscious, came round means recognized and consciousness. So when he was become conscious, the first thing he told that I am finished and there is no hope left. Now he totally believed that he also become mad and he forgotten everything. Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. His will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. So he returned back to his home, Calcutta, and there he realized that soon he was left, or soon he was truly no hope for him and will lose everything. That his work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind, he will lose everything. He realized that. બિપિન બાબુ realize that એ બધું ગુમાવી રહ્યો છે. Okay, was he going to end up in the asylum? And so that was the thought of Bipin Babu, that might end up in the asylum. So asylum means mental hospital. So was I going to a mental hospital and there I ended? So then he stopped thinking. Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore, and back home he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then he asked Dr. Chanda to come his home. Then after a shower he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. So after taking a shower he took an ice bag and fixed on his head. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. A greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. About the name it said urgent and confidential. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. So there was a letter for him. At first he take a shower, then call Dr. Chanda and rest on the bed. At that time his servant came with the letter, and in spite of his bad condition, Bipin Babu decided to read the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. This is what he read. Okay, and he opened the envelope and read the letter. This is the letter. Let's read the letter. This is the letter read by Bipin Babu. Now, dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. So affluence means wealth. So wealth makes you totally change, which you are. That was in the letter. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? So that was the question. So it was so difficult for you to help your old friend when he was in a bad condition, down on his luck means it was in a have no money because of period of bad luck. So when he was in bad luck, can you can't help your old friend? I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I use in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. In retribution of means as punishment for. So I have only imagination and I have nothing, I have no money, and you didn't help me. Okay, so it was your punishment for your unfeeling behavior, and that is the clear that it was your punishment because of your unfeeling behavior. Well, you will be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If he like it enough, it will see me through the next few months. Your Chunilal. Now this letter written by Chunilal. Okay, now by this letter it is clear that everything that was happened to Bipin Babu is the conspiracy of Chunilal, in which Parimal Ghosh and Dinesh Mukherjee was also involved. Okay, why? Because it's clearly said that it is your punishment for unfeeling behavior. So it is clear that it is the conspiracy of three of the people, that Chunilal, Parimal Ghosh and Dinesh Mukherjee. They just playing with Bipin Babu's mind and was also involved. And at last Chunilal accepted that he had done all just as punishment for Bipin's unfailing behavior. So it was clear that Bipin Babu nothing to forget and he never go to Ranchi in 1958. Okay, so it is clear that કે બિપિન બાબુ કશું પણ ભૂલ્યા નથી, એવું ક્યારેય પણ 1958માં રાંચી ગયા ન હતા. ઓકે, ઓલ that event was created by Chunnilaal. Okay, so it is clear that Bipin Babu is all right. Nothing too bad with him, or he is not ill, or he is not mentally ill, or he is not forget anything. Okay, so that is clear. When Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, I am fine. Okay, when Dr. Chanda came to Bipin Babu's house, he told that I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. So he said that he did not reveal all he understand. Okay, Bipin Babu understand that nothing has done to me. I have nothing to forget. So Bipin Babu understand all things that Chunnilaal and those other two people have played with me. Okay, so but he does not reveal it, all the conspiracy he does not reveal on the behalf of Dr. Chanda. ઓકે, ડૉક્ટર ચંદાની આગળ આવું રિવીલ નથી કરતા અને શું કહે છે, આઈ એમ ફાઇન, ઇટ ઓલ કેમ બેક સૂન એઝ આઈ ગોટ ઓફ ધ ટ્રેન એટ રાંચી. હું જ્યારે ટ્રેનથી નીચે ઉતર્યો રાંચીના સ્ટેશન પર ત્યારે બધું મને યાદ આવી ગયું. સો આવું કહી દીધું. ઓકે, અ યુનિક કેસ. નાવ ડૉક્ટર ચંડા સેડ ઇટ્સ અ યુનિક કેસ, said Dr. Chanda. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. So I must write this case into my medical journal because I have never experienced this type of case in my experience or in my life. Okay, so I was also very surprised. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller. So I call you on my house because I have fall in Ranchi and because of that I have pain in my hip, and if you could prescribe a painkiller. So because of that I have called you on my house. Okay, so that is Bipin Babu told to Dr. Chanda. He did not reveal all the conspiracy done by Chunnilaal. So he was all right. Okay, nothing to do wrong with that Bipin Babu. ઓકે, બિપિન બાબુ સાથે કશું પણ રોંગ થયું નથી, એ કશું પણ ભૂલ્યા ન હતા. ઓકે, આ બધું કોની કોન્સ્પિરસી હતી? ચુન્નીલાલ, પરિમલ ઘોષ એન્ડ દિનેશ મુખર્જી. ઓકે, એમણે આ બધું ઇવેન્ટ્સ ક્રિએટ કર્યા હતા. એઓ રાંચી ક્યારેય પણ ગયા હતા નહીં. ઓકે, સો ડેટ ઇઝ ક્લિયર, બટ હી ડીડ નોટ રિવીલ ઓલ ધ થિંગ્સ ઓન ધ ડૉક્ટર ચંદા. ડૉક્ટર ચંદાની સામે આ બધું ક્લિયર કરતા નથી અને શું કહે છે, મારી જે મેમરી લોસ થયું હતું એ પાછું આવી ગયું છે. ઓકે, સો વિથ ધેટ ધીસ ચેપ્ટર ઇઝ એન્ડેડ and this chapter is written by Satyajit Ray. Okay, so now it's all ended the chapter. We'll stop here. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.